Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Vienna, Austria, and I'm at the cafe, and it's like world famous and everything else. And I'll get the exact name for you. Actually, I can probably get the name for you here. I always forget it. Café Central. Café Central. And it falls in the top 483 things to see in Vienna, and I'm just going to show you it really quick while I'm here. The line outside is enormous, and I'll show you that too, but the insides are really cute. Let's go take a look. So this is Café Central. Can you read that? Café Central. Here we go. Let's just walk through it and we'll see what we get. So you can see how beautiful it is. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And the pastries are gorgeous, and wow. And the line is really huge. Wow. Wow, wow. That looks like a real wow wow to me. I'd take about 4 of those. Peanut caramel. Wow, look at those. Wow. Oh, that looks really good too. Pardon me. Wow. That's really pretty. Wow. And this is Café Central. Pretty amazing. The roof is amazing. The ceiling is amazing. It's all pretty amazing. Wow. Anyway, I'm not going to go through here because we're drawing a lot of attention. Let me look over here in this corner, but I think this is a bathroom or something. Yeah, that's not part of this. Oh, I'll let this guy pass.
Yes, please.
Oh, thank you. Danke. Pretty amazing place. So I cheated. I had to go to the bathroom, and they let you go to the bathroom for free without waiting in line, but you can't order anything. But I can film things without being yelled at, so let me go show you the line. You can see the line right here. Oop, that's mine. Sorry about that. Drop my case, and then this is the line outside. Wow. And they say it's like a 45-minute wait to get to order, unless you're willing to sit outside. But the whole point of this is to sit inside and see the cafe. Let me get to the front of this building here so you can see it too. Café Central. Pretty amazing. Wow. And the line again this is 45 minutes. Yeah, I guess I won't interfere in that. So anyway, that's it everybody. Café Central, Vienna, Austria. Bye-bye.